So as I mentioned, the water that we get from the different sources, ice water from the glaciers, river water, sea water, all the water that formed is in the combination hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 1:8 by mass. So we can define the constant proportion as a chemical compound always contain same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. So based on this law we can do some problems. So do you remember the problems based on law of conservation of mass? There we have considered the masses, that means the total mass before the reaction and after the reaction. Total mass before the reaction and after the reaction. It is stating that the total mass will be conserved or total mass will be equal before and after the reaction. Here we are considering the ratio of the element combination. Ratio of the elements that combined in the compound. So ratio means what? The combination of the element mass ratio. So let us discuss the questions. Listen carefully. The question is 78 gram of sample of an unknown compound contains 12.4 gram of hydrogen. So a sample of an unknown compound contains 12.4 gram of hydrogen. What is the percent by mass of hydrogen in the compound? So this type of questions you have done in the maths problems. So total amount is given. A compound is having the total mass 78 gram. In that 78 gram or in that compound, one element present is hydrogen. We don't know the other element. They have mentioned only one element. Their mass also mentioned. How much? 12.4 gram. Now the question is, what is the percent by mass of hydrogen in the compound? A compoundiനകത്ത് അതായത് 78 ഗ്രാമിനകത്ത് ആ സാമ്പിളിനകത്ത് എത്ര പെർസെൻറ്റ് 12 അത് എത്ര പെർസെൻറ്റ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ കാണും? Okay, hydrogen mass is also given. You know how to calculate the percentage of your marks, isn't it? So when you get some marks in the examination, you will find out the percentage. Then only you can say how much grade you got or what's the grade of your subject. So how you are done that type of grading or that type of percentage? What you do is the total what you got, the mark you got divided by total maximum mark into 100, isn't it? The mark you got divided by the total mark you got in that exam, that maximum mark in the examination into 100. Similarly, here we have to write the mass to be found out. What is the mass here to found out? The hydrogen divided by the total mass of the compound. It is given total mass into 100. Here the question is percentage. How to find out the percentage? So this is a simple method to find out the percentage. So mass of the hydrogen divided by mass of the total compound or mass of the compound into 100. We have to know only how much is the percentage of hydrogen in the total amount. A total amount, ആ കോമ്പൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ എമൗണ്ടിൽ എത്ര ഹൈഡ്രജൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എത്ര പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് ഹൈഡ്രജനാണ്. തിരിച്ചും ചോദിക്കാം. പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് തന്നിട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ മാസ്. ദാറ്റ് യു ഓൾ നോ. ഇതിൻ്റെ റിവേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ മാസ് ഓഫ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഈസ് 12.4 divided by 78.0 gram, that is the total mass of the compound, into 100. So what we got is 15.9%. That is percentage. We have find out the percentage. So what is the percentage? 15.9%. So from the total amount we are using 15.9 percentage. So the other substance that is contained in the sample has the remaining percentage. So we are using only 12.9 percentage of hydrogen in that compound. Hope you understood. So this type of question, in this section different types of questions can be asked. So another question is, in a compound of carbon and oxygen react in the ratio 3:8 by mass to form carbon dioxide. What mass of oxygen is required to react completely with 9 gram of carbon? Once more, in the compound of carbon and oxygen react in the ratio 3:8 by mass to form carbon dioxide. What mass of oxygen is required to react with completely with 9 gram of carbon?